In this video, just wanted to have a little bit of a chat about fold-up levers, particularly brake levers. They are a good concept because their idea is that in a crash they fold up like that rather than bend your lever. So if you're in a race, you could remount, push your lever down and remount, or it just saves you having to replace your lever. So it's good in concept, but the impact from a crash is quite hard. So these should be quite hard to push up and shouldn't be very easy at all. In this particular case, this lever is super easy to push up. Just by the simplest flick, it'll go up. Now, a lot of levers can be adjusted. Unfortunately, in this particular case, this lever is as tight as it will go and it still just flicks up so easy. This is absolutely massively dangerous. If you have a lever that's that easy to flick up and you can't make it firmer, I strongly advise you to take it off. You know, the idea that it's there so it doesn't get bent in a crash, this lever folding up so easy could cause a catastrophic crash, something massively dangerous, and not only to you, to anyone else you're on the track with. I've been in a position, unfortunately, back in the olden days when I was racing, that I had my gloves get stuck on a lever and I couldn't get to the brake lever in time and I ran off and I luckily avoided hitting a concrete wall. Can you imagine that? And you think, oh, that's fine, I'll go and grab it. Sometimes on a racetrack you get a bit of a head shake or you get something like that happening. Now, can you imagine that happened just before the braking zone? You didn't realise and you're going for the brake and you're doing like 260 kilometres an hour down a straight on a track, and you're coming into a second gear hairpin or something like that. And if you've got one, go, oh, I'll be able to flick it down myself and you'll think you can sort yourself out, that's fine. I do ask you to consider the safety of the other people you're on a track with. So if you've got one of these that flick up, if your lever flicks up that easy, it needs to be sorted out. So it either needs to be a lever that can be tightened up and almost, it takes a lot of force to come up, or you need to replace it.